It's hard not to know our company because we offer a variety of products that people use in everyday life, starting from internet, phone, and TV payments, up to credits, online gaming, and something like that. So when people think about payment in Russia, they think about Kiwi. And before moving into details, let's look at the past. The Kiwi brand came out not long time ago, only in 2007, and for that little time we had, we did some big things. Like we launched electronic wallets, we acquired the bank, and we made our strategic partnership with Visa. And in 2013, we did our IPO. By the way, we have a really good price for our shares, and so don't miss the opportunity to invest. After the IPO, we had many significant events, such as partnership with eBay and AliExpress. And also, I would like to mention our partnership with Megafon. It's one of the one of the largest mobile operators in Russia. And last but not the least point, which I'm going to talk about today, we started using EVAM. So, and now a little bit about our products. Originally, our company started its journey with Kiwi Kiosk. In Russia, we call it Kiwi Terminal. It was the first product we launched, and until now, we're working really hard to make it even better. It's impossible to find a person in Russia who has never seen this Kiwi Terminal because they're just everywhere, and even in Siberia. As I mentioned before, using our products, people can pay for anything or any service of our merchants. So, for example, make a money transfer, and these kiosks are not an exception. Also, the next one is Visa Kiwi Wallet. It's our key product, and which can be used on any interfaces like mobile applications, web application, and even smart TV. But Kiwi is not only about electronic and cash payments, it's also about offline shopping. Our users can pay in any store by a regular plastic card which are connected to their wallet balance. But being number one in Russia is not easy. Always there are some implications. And in our case, it's a large amount of data. Each month, more than 80,000 merchants get their payment from 80 million consumers who are using our key wallets, kiosk, etc. And in total, it's huge data and about 300 million transactions per month. So the company grew quite quickly, and so managing changes became really difficult. Especially we were facing the problem connected to availability of resources, because many of our teams were focused on core products, and they didn't have time to implement some marketing activities or CRM activities. And our time to market wasn't our strong side. That's why we were stuck here with the question: how can we manage, monetize, and use all of this data? And we were trying to find any solutions. We analyzed the market and we choose EVAM. Now I can say that it was the right choice because Intellica solved many of our problems. Before EVAM, it took couple of weeks or maybe months to implement the simplest cross-sell project in our company, but now we can do it just in a couple of days. And if the similar campaigns have been already done in EVAM, so it will take just a couple of hours. To make the long story short, I just want to say we really reduced the path from idea to realization. And most projects come for EVAM from different departments, like brand management, trade marketing, and CMK, and some other departments even core business departments. And right now we are focused on following areas like advertisement, customer activation, customer care, retention, loyalty, experience, and especially cross-sell and upsell. And now a few words about our current infrastructure. We connected EVAM to all possible events of our products, and now we can easily catch any transaction, any click, and any other user steps. And in other words, we can say that we know everything about customer behavior, and using all of this information, we can dramatically increase the efficiency of following actions like SMS, email, banners, push notification, and others like cashbacks. But we are not going to stop on this, and we are already looking forward to the future. And for us, the next step will be working with partners. As you remember, we have more than 80,000 merchants, and we want to be like a service hub between these companies. That means, for example, one company can be a source of events for us, and we can react on them in other companies. So it gives us opportunity to create cross-business campaigns in real time. And we are totally sure that event in one business is a starting opportunity for another business. I mean, starting point opportunity for another business. And let's consider the case with the telecom companies. I think you know that the main purpose of any mobile operators is to increase the average revenue per user. And operators try many techniques, so many mechanics, and not all of them are successful. And now let's take a look at our case. Here is a nice subscriber who is using her phone a lot for SMS, for calls, for internet, of course. And at some point, operator finds out that her ARPU is going down, and they have to add her, for example, for their top-up campaigns. And what's actually the best moment to influence this customer? Of course, it's the moment when the user is refilling mobile balance. And in Kiwi, we catch this moment and send this event to the operator and telling that this exactly user is paying right now. And operator tell us immediately which exactly offer should we should show. It can be anything, for example, like refill above $10 and get a bonus of 1 gigabyte internet for free. So this is a point where we can influence on customers' decision. And it seems pretty logical, right? The user needs the right offer at the right moment. And actually, we already tested these mechanics, and the results were amazing. So this is a case of win-win situation. Thank you, guys, and good luck, all of you. That's it.